मुझे दया करो दुर्गा माँ, मुझे कृपा करो शक्ति माँ, मुझे दया करो दुर्गा माँ, मुझे कृपा करो शक्ति माँ। त्रिपुरारी सुंदरी अम्बे मैया देवी शिव शंभो महादेवा, स्वामी नारायण हरिहर संग मैं लाऊंगी, हरिहर संग मैं लाऊंगी, स्वामी नारायण प्रेम भक्ति शंभो शंकर सदा शक्ति, बोले बाबा महादेवा, शंभो शंकर सदा शक्ति, बोले बाबा महादेवा। डम डमरू बजे श्री गंगा गौरी शिव शंभो महादेवा, नारायण हरिहर संग मैं लाऊंगी, हरिहर संग मैं लाऊंगी, स्वामी नारायण प्रेम भक्ति सदा, स्वामी नारायण प्रेम भक्ति सदा, स्वामी नारायण प्रेम भक्ति सदा। वर्षा ऋतु रघुपति भगति, तुलसी शाली सुधा, राम नाम बर बरण युग, श्रावण भादो मास। राम नाम मन दे भरो, जी हजे हरि बार, तुलसी भीतर बाहरो, जो चाहत उजियार। बोलो राम, बोलो राम, बोलो राम, बोलो राम, बोलो राम, बोलो राम अनंत अनंत गुण अमित कथा विस्तार, सुनिया चर जन मानहि, होती विमल विचार। बोलो राम, बोलो राम, बोलो राम, बोलो कटाय रंगित हो तो है, सुनो वीर हनुमान, आए के आसन लीजिए, सिया सहित भगवान। बोलो राम, बोलो राम, बोलो राम, बोलो राम, बोलो राम, भय बांधते तुलसी तुलसीदास। बोलो राम कबीर मन निर्बल भया जैसा गंगा नीर। तब पूछा लगी हरि पीरो कहत कबीर कबीर। बोलो राम बोलो राम बोलो राम बोलो राम बोलो राम राम बोलो राम बोलो राम 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 बोलो राम 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 बोलो राम 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 बोलो राम बोलो राम 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 बोलो अम्बे भगवती शक्ति भवानी माँ की जय। करुणा निधान बल बुद्धि के निदान मोद महिमा विदान। गुण ज्ञान के निदान हो सरस्वती मैया मां। शक्ति भवानी देवी मां सभी करन गुण देश। देवी भवानी मैया जी कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। देवी भागवत पुराण describe the glories of Maha Saraswati. हे मां, जिसके हृदय में आपकी कृपा पर संपूर्ण विश्वास होता है, हे भगवती शक्ति भवानी मैया श्री सरस्वती मां। Whoever may trust in his heart the benevolence of Bhagavati Saraswati Maya will forever receive her guidance and divine grace. Whoever have trust and faith in this universal mother, हृदय में आपके कृपा पर संपूर्ण विश्वास होता है. Once there is faith and devotion, Maha Saraswati, the goddess of learning and wisdom, shall bestow upon you her divine grace. करुणा निदान बल बुद्धि के निधान, मोद महिमा निधान, गुण ज्ञान के निदान है. हे मां, आप करुणा निधान है, बल एवं बुद्धि के धान है, प्रसन्नता महिमा गुण एवं ज्ञान की काना है. The scripture describes this mother, thou art the abode of compassion. O divine mother, you are the abode of compassion and you are the embodiment of wisdom, and you are an embodiment of strength and intellect. Saraswati Ma, who we are discussing tonight, the glories of Saraswati Ma, she is an embodiment of wisdom, embodiment of strength, and she is an embodiment of Buddhi Tattva. She gives a very sharp intellect to that mother who gave the virtue of knowledge and wisdom to her lotus feet, the mother of purity, the mother of cosmic grace. We seek refuge at her lotus feet tonight. आपके गुणगान भवानी शक्ति मैया सुनकर देवता गण पुलकित होते हैं. All the devas, all the saints, the sages, the rishis, the munis, the great philosophers, the great thinkers, every intellectual pay homage to Bhagavati Saraswati Ma, the goddess of learning and wisdom. Without her infinite grace, nothing can function in this universe. Brahma, Vishnu और महेश की आंखों में प्रेम छल छलता आते हैं. Even tears flow from the eyes of Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh whenever they sing the glories of Maha Saraswati Maiya. Bhagavati Saraswati Maiya, हे माँ, दुष्ट के समूह का नाश करते कि आपकी शक्ति तीनों लोकों में सभी को ज्ञात है. देवताओं को करना सागर के जुड़ने वाले आप जैसे बुद्धिमान के यश का वेद पुराण शास्त्र भी गुणगान करते हैं. आप रूपी अंधकार का एवं कोहरे रूपी का और काटने हैं. आप निगुण हैं. आप सेवा को के लिए आप ऐसे सुखदायक हैं जैसे कमल को लिए सुबह का सूर्य सुखदायनी होता है. सूर्य का सुखदायनी होते हैं. Like when the sun gives its midst to the flowers and it blossoms, there is a beauty in Mother Nature. When the grace of Mother Saraswati dawn upon you, there is a light keep flowing, the aura began to flow around you. It is said, Mother Saraswati gave cosmic ability and destroy the bands of sins, imperfection, all perplexity from one's life. It is by the grace of Maha Saraswati. Maha Saraswati also, it is said, destroy the agony and torment of the poverty that lingers within the hearts of man. What type of poverty we are speaking of tonight? It is not hunger, it is not wealth, it is not having a shelter, it is not having food grains in your home. Here the scripture describes the poverty that lingers within man and the poverty that allows man to live in the dense darkness of life is called avidya, ignorance. When that poverty is removed, Bhagavati Shakti Bhavani Maya, the grace of Mother, dawn upon us and we inherit her divine kingdom. Devi Bhavani Maya allow us to journey into her realm so that we can inherit the divine grace of this mother. Listen to this beautiful, beautiful message that is given from the Holy Scripture. Davana bhuvana dala bhuvana vidita bal Veda jasa gavata vibhudha बंदी चोर को पाप ताप, तिमरी तू ही न विगत पढ़ू। सेवक सरोर सुखद बानु बोर को, भगवती सरस्वती महाशक्ति। दशमुख दूसह दरिद्र दरिते, को भयो प्रगट त्रिलोक ओक। जय जय मां भगवती सरस्वती मां। ब्रह्मा पिता शंकर पिता विष्णु पिता गुरुभ्यो नमः। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं सौं सौं सरस्वत्यै नमः। आप रूपी हृदय दरिद्र मां, आप रूपी हृदय दरिद्र का नाश करने के लिए तीनों लोकों के धन रूपी को के सामान है। Divine Mother, you are the treasure house of the three lokas. Tino loka. You are the treasure house of the three lokas. Within the three divine lokas, Mahasaraswati governs the lokas. It is said, you are the destroyer of the unbearable poverty that dwells within the homes, the hearts, and within the universe. Wherever there is adharma, wherever there is immorality, wherever there is unethical behavior, wherever there exists misunderstanding, wherever there is disappointment, wherever there is a chaotic situation, wherever there is trials and tribulation pervading within that home, within the atmosphere, within the country, and the world at large, it is only by the infinite grace of Mahasaraswati that there can be a remedy to the imperfection and impurity of the universe. Think very carefully what I'm saying tonight. Mother Saraswati is the goddess of Vidya, knowledge. She is the goddess of wisdom. She is the goddess of Sangeet, music. She is the goddess of art. She is the goddess of creativity. She is the goddess of eloquence. She is the goddess of intelligence. She is the goddess of enlightenment. And she is the goddess who gives stability as cosmic order in the universe. Tonight we have to understand what an important role Mahalakshmi, Bhairav Baba, and tonight Goddess Saraswati plays into our lives. We know what Rama does for us. We know what Krishna does for us. We have been hearing the katha of Rama Krishna for many, many years. But it is time for us to take a journey into the world of the unknown. And into the world of the unknown, I am giving you a chance to walk this royal road so that you can understand the depth of Satya Sanatan Dharma. Sanatan Dharma is not only Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita. Sanatan Dharma has 4 Veds, 6 Shastras, 18 Puranas, and so many different scriptures that you can go into, and it will take many, 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 many births before you can understand the depth of Sri Satya Sanatan Dharma. Many try to fathom the depth of this religion, but have failed. Only those who humble themselves, like Tulsi Das, Kabir Das, Sant, Valmiki Ji, and many, many great saints and sages who went very deep into the scriptures. Wisdom and learning are essential. I repeat, wisdom and learning are essential for the performance of all actions. Without wisdom, without knowledge and learning, it is impossible. I repeat, it is virtually impossible for any human being to perform actions in life. When we have knowledge, you go to school, you go to college, you go to university, you obtain a degree, you came out from college and university, you are proud of what? You are proud of your scholastic background. You are proud to tell the world, in my hands, I have a piece of kagaj, paper, that represents me. I can go anywhere and I can perform or I can present my package and I will be accepted. Without that piece of paper, without that knowledge and wisdom, you cannot function. The type of work that will be given to you is the lowest in life. You will have no name, no fame, and you will feel very dishonored in society. The reason why, because you do not have the knowledge, the wisdom, and the learning to go forward. So it is said here that the awarding fruits of Mata Saraswati are the components of jana knowledge that is the boon given by the goddess Saraswati for us all to play a very important role in our worldly life. In our worldly life, we want to play a very important role. We want people to admire when we speak. When we speak, we want someone to appreciate the things that we say. We want someone to give us little recognition. When a professor stands in front of his class, speaking to his student, if he knows what he is saying, the student loves him to death. When they are successful, they praise their professor. In Hindu Dharma, we give honor, respect to our Guru. Our Guru plays a very vital role in our lives. And the Guru is the one who impart this atmic knowledge so that you and I can evolve. The material world will always remain a material world. We have to struggle tirelessly to survive in this world. It is a must you wake up in the morning and go to work. It is a must that you take extra care with your family. It is a must that you pay your mortgage. The bank will reclaim your property. Therefore, your mind is programmed. It's like a computer. Your mind is programmed to wake at that specific time in the morning hours so that you can commence your journey, regardless how tired you are, how helpless you are, how sick you are. You have to work because there are demands in your life. In the spiritual world, God is not demanding anything from you. Maha Saraswati, Maha Durga, Maha Lakshmi, Bhairav Baba, Mahadeva, Shiva Shankar never wake you up 5 o'clock in the morning and say, pray to me. Right, Shiva? God never ever say, you, it is time for you to wake in the morning and sing my glories. That's your prerogative. And if you remain in the slum, you will die in the slum. If you remain a buddhu, you die a buddhu. If you remain intelligent or intelligent person, and Brahma Muhurta, 5 a.m. in the morning, the gods and goddesses are leaving planet Earth and they're going back to the supreme cosmic region, then you have an opportunity to wake in the morning and sing the praises of God, and they will stay with you for a moment. They will smile with you, they will touch you, and they will go back to their respective abode. The scripture says, Brahma Muhurat is 5 a.m. in the morning, when the gods and goddesses are leaving planet Earth, and they are waiting for we, I use the word we, collectively, all of us, to sit in our homes with our family and sing the glories of God. When we sing the glories of God, we create a healthy atmosphere. If you commence your day with love, you will spend your day with love. You will enjoy love and peace during the day. You will taste the bliss of God. You will end your day with love. The difficult part is to commence the morning hours in singing the glory. Bhagavati Saraswati Ma says, I give you the awaz. If I am the mother of eloquence, if I am the mother of Shabda, Vakya, Vagavagavadani, Ma, if I represent speech, then why don't you speak to me? Why don't you utter my name early in the morning and create a blissful atmosphere? Students who are here tonight, young souls, who are in college and university, who have high ambition, expectation in life, I say to you, without the grace of Mahaganapati Baba, without the grace of Bhagavati Saraswati Ma, you will never achieve your goal in life. It is a must. In the origin and development of creation, divine power, Saraswati Shakti, has an important place from the very dawn of creation. From the very dawn of creation, Bhagavati Saraswati Maya, she is described as Sharada. Sharada means the giver of essence. She is the giver of sweetness. She is the giver of fragrance. She is the giver of all that is mangalam, all that is auspicious. Bhagavati Saraswati Ma.